It's time to learn how to download and install the driver for use on a PC with your Kyocera PA4000cx printer. Now we will download the latest KX driver. Go to https://kyocera.info. This will take you to the download center. Here you should select your country or region. In our example, we'll be using USA. In the Refine the Product area, type in PA4000cx. Now click on the ECOSYS PA4000cx. Select your operating system from the list. In our example, we're using Windows 10 64-bit. Scroll to the bottom and find the Easy Installation Web Installer Windows Only. Click on the blue download button as shown. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom, select the Agree to Contract and Download blue button. Open the downloaded file, Web Installer EXE. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom, select the Accept blue button. A resource and energy saving window will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select the blue OK button. Next, the Web Installer window will appear. There will be three options: Install, Uninstall, and Maintenance. Select Install. Your computer will now search your network for your new printer. This may take a few minutes. Click on the ECOSYS PA4000cx option. If more than one appears, pick the one that has an IP address as shown. Click Next. In a few seconds, you'll be presented with the select components to install. For now, assure that the KX driver is checked as shown. Next, click the blue Install button. Your installation will begin. Each selected component will be downloaded and installed. Once complete, the status will change to Installed. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Once all components are installed, click on the blue Next button. The configuration window will appear. You can click on Print a Test Page, and upon setup completion, the machine will print out a test page. You can also set this device as your default printer, meaning all jobs by default will print to your Kyocera printer. Next, the printer is preset at the factory to always print on both sides of the paper. To print only on one side, click here to uncheck the option. Click Finish. You have now installed and configured the KX driver for your new ECOSYS PA4000cx printer.